Hope you're all doing well. I'm on my way to work. This is Monday. And oh Lord, you're going to want to know what the day is. Or you probably don't care what the day is. I'm the one that wants to know what the day is. Oh, let's look at my other. Monday, June 17th. It's 7:51. And it is 74 degrees. Wow. And we do have 95% humidity. The dew point is 69, so that's the highest I've seen the dew point so far this year. Not gonna say it hadn't been higher, but it's the highest I've noticed. So yesterday was nice though. I don't know what happened, but yesterday was nice. It was cloudy, but that's okay. I don't mind the cloudiness. So I hope everybody had a great Father's Day and a great weekend and everything, and everybody's happy. So we're going to talk about today this BoxyCharm box that I meant to do Friday, and then I just didn't do it. I mean, I just been real with you, just didn't do it. Had things to come up, and I was running late that day, and I needed to get some stuff off my chest, and I'm just being real with you. I'm under major stress. I mean, I always try to play it down, but I'm not playing it down anymore. Not playing it down anymore. And I don't need to bring anything else on me. But, sometimes things happen and other things pop up that you never thought would. And that's about exactly what happened. So as I said, I'm not trying to find a parking place down there now. I'm just going right down here to the flashing lights. Get me a little spot. I'll worry about it at lunch. So I'll tell you what I'm wearing today. It's the same thing I've been wearing. I'm not venturing out right now. I just haven't felt the need to venture out. I'm wearing that MAC foundation, the new serum foundation. And I haven't mentioned much about the wear, but it starts to wear off, especially when it's hot. But it wears off. It wears off exactly like that NARS that I loved. The NARS not long wear, the advanced skincare foundation, but I couldn't wear it because of the coconut oil. Now I don't know if this has got coconut oil in it or not. I haven't really paid that much attention. I said I would leave it up to seeing if I had any more little millias pop up, but I haven't so far. So anyway, I don't think that it does. I think that it's there's a little thing up here I'm getting rid of. It's just the way it is. Now I'm taking out this headband. I just wanted it out of my face for a few minutes. So let's just put it like this. And this air is toward me. I'm turning it. All right. So the first thing I want to mention, and this was not in the box. This I bought myself. This is the Iceland Hydrating Eye Stick. Now I know that you've probably seen this if you're a makeup person. You've seen the Scott Barnes viral thing with, I guess, J-Lo or somebody else, I don't know, about using the Aquaphor stick. Well, there's probably most people should not use the Aquaphor stick every day. Now, I think that is fine for special events. That's the word I'm looking for. But to use it every day, I just don't think it's good for you. I think you would end up with Amelia. So this one is made for the under eyes. Now, I don't know if it's any better. Like I said, I didn't look at the ingredients. I've got to where I'm just being lazy, not looking. Of course, it is in a foreign language. I do not know. I'm assuming it's Asian. Here's the English version. Eye stick moisturizes skin around the eyes with the abundant moisture energy of island mineral water. So this does have a cooling effect at first, but it goes away. And what this does, there is dimethicone in here, is supposedly it smooths out the under eyes. Now, when I look in this camera lens, I can't see my lines. But I've got lines. Well, when I do that, you can see them. But anyway, if I look up here, I see them, but they're definitely not as prominent. I used no concealer today. I only used this eye stick. And as I said, this is the Iceland Hydrating Eye Stick. And so I'm going to carry it with me. Now, this is going in and out of stock on Amazon. So just letting you know that it's there. It's not expensive. Less than $10, I believe. I would use this over the Aquaphor, but if you just want to try it with Aquaphor, go ahead. I do have an Aquaphor stick, but I haven't tried it with it. But I mean, go ahead. Won't hurt you. One time, I don't think. What do I know? All right, let's look at what we got in this box. And I'm just going to grab what's in this bag. This is the BoxyCharm. I kind of tried to figure out what it was called, and I think I had it in my head, and now I forgot. Anyway, it's a box that you pay $25 for, and then you can add on to it if you want to. They give you an option of some special products, and then of course you can always shop the Ipsy shop, because Ipsy and BoxyCharm are now the same company, but they still use the BoxyCharm logo, I guess because they don't want to get rid of it. I don't know. Anyway, first thing I'm bringing up is this Grown Alchemist Biological Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant. It's got pink grapefruit, glucoma extract, pepple mousse rose extract, and diglucomin. I don't know exactly what those do. It says a gentle skin polish and exfoliant. Formulated for daily use, is visibly delaminate dry and dead skin cells. Facial skin is left radiant and smooth, perfectly prepared for moisturizing. Vitamin C, flavonoids, and salicylic acid from pink grapefruit visibly delaminate and dissolve dry and dead skin cells, leaving skin looking refreshed and detailed. So I'll try this out and let you know what I think of it. I've had some Grown Alchemist toner, and it's been fine. Nothing, outrageously, you gotta have it down. Nothing like that. Okay, this is the Wonder Beauty Powder Foundation. Now, I've always been interested in this, and this may have been something that was an add-on, maybe. I don't know. I know I'm not prepared. I'm just not with it anymore. I'm just here talking to y'all about beauty because I love beauty products. All right? All right. I'm not here to be your esthetician or anything like that. Your makeup artist. I'm just here talking about beauty products. It's like we were at lunch or something. All right. Wonder Beauty. Because Wonder Beauty seems to be geared more toward people over 50, but it may not be. It just seems to be, I guess. And it's just, it's like a powder foundation. I'll try this out. Now, what I've been using to set this MAC is, past few days I've used that One Size from Patrick Starr. And Patrick Starr is a makeup artist, if you don't know. Okay, this is the Mael. Well, y'all get to hear the hallelujah every day at 8 o'clock. Because I'm on my other phone. Okay, skip the morning cup of coffee, and this has got a label on it. I probably should have took off. And start your day with the refreshing and hydrating honey infused mask. So this is a mask. So we'll let you know how we feel about that. You can also use it at night. And it says, I guess I should look to see what it's supposed to do. I'm assuming it's supposed to tighten your skin, maybe. Moisturize it. All that good stuff, since it's honey. Of course, I have made my own honey mask before. You need to use the Anuka honey. That's the best one. But now, the other one that I would suggest if you get honey from your own location, because that's supposed to be better. Like I say, I'm not an esthetician. Okay, this is the Glow Recipe Pomegranate Peptine Firming Serum. And of course, Glow Recipe sold at Sephora. I believe that. Ulta too. And it's a pretty, it's a clean brand. I hate that. I hate saying that. It is let's go put it this way. It's supposed to not have any bad things in it for us. I don't know why I hate saying clean, but I do. Okay, this is the Lipgasm birthday suit. These people in these labels. And the way they put it, you know, just give us some black and white. Okay, TFB, whatever that is. Lip Gas and Lipstick birthday suit. Alright, so I guess it's a nude. There you go. It's a peachy nude. I don't know how I feel about peachy nudes. I like peaky nudes better. But anyway, some people like peach. Alright, and you know, I do fill my thing out. When you fill out the questionnaire, I fill it out as to if I'm younger. I don't put down that I'm old as the hills. I just put down that I'm younger. Okay, this is the Ultra Repair from First Aid Beauty Face Moisturizer with Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum SPF 30. And it has zinc oxide and octocrylene. Now, I was not that familiar with octocrylene, and then I started watching the doctorly, whatever they're called, and they educated me in on all that stuff. So maybe that octocrylene is not so bad, you know. And they made a good point about Korean sunscreens, and I mean, I had thought about this before, is they are chemical, but you know, and we Americans think they're safer just because they're over there. And that doesn't necessarily mean they are safer. You know, I don't know. And, you know, it may come out in 10 years that, you know, they're going into your skin and doing all these things to you. I don't know. But in 10 years, I may not be here. I'll be, what, 74? I might be gone. Because you know what? That's about how long our lifespan's supposed to be, according to someone. Sorry, I had to get that in. Alright, this is the $1 Billion Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, this is the $12 bag, I believe. Liquid eyeliner, and it looks like it's in black. Y'all don't care about that. These products usually are products that, you know, I might not. There are more samples, I guess. Okay, we got a Wonder Beauty. No, a JLo Beauty. Same packaging. That JLo Glow Serum. All right, let's look at that. Let's see if it gives my hand a glow. No smell. I don't see that it gave me a glow, but whatever. Okay, we got another First Aid Beauty Brighten and Glow Moisturizer with Vitamin C. I learned all about vitamin C yesterday too. Not that I didn't already know, but I learned some more. I learned some new stuff too. I got on a marathon of their videos yesterday. Galactic Fruit Superfood Sugar-Free Scrub Mix. Sugar face, not sugar-free. Sugar face. That would be good for my hands. I'm going to try that on my hands today at work. Let's put that in the purse. And there's one other thing down here. See, there wasn't much in here. This is the blush tint from Benefit. I believe this is a liquid blush that they've come out with. You know, a lot of people's come out with liquid blushes. And I'm going to tell you how I feel about liquid blushes. I think they're fine. I mean, I've got that one from e.l.f. and from Rare. But I'd rather have them in a pan and pot, whatever. I'd rather have a cream blush or a powder brush. Let's see. It looks more like a lipstick to me, but whatever. Oh, I don't know how I feel about it. I guess it's because of the doe foot. It just went away. I might as well not put nothing on. Let's try it again. Maybe I should dot it. Let's see. Okay, that's what it looks like. Let's see if it goes away. Let it sit for a minute. And we'll see if it just goes away. Oh, by the way, that on the bra situation, I know I keep saying Olga, or I know I said it some, but it's Bali. This bra that I'm wearing is Bali. Now, I have on the old one today. All right, now, you see it? Let's see what happens. I'm just seeing if I can rub it away. Yep, I can rub it away. Nope, don't waste your money on that. All right, I gotta go to work. Y'all have a great day. Love you, bye.